In this video, I'm going to show you the best recharge subscription app for Shopify. So in case you're looking for a good subscription or recharge subscription app to integrate with Shopify, this one is, in my opinion, and by ratings, one of the best ones. So it's called Recharge, and it's basically offers smarter subscription experiences, okay? It powers your growth and retention strategy, and what's the best is that it integrates automatically and completely with Shopify. So if you go to their kind of Shopify subscriptions tab over here in their website, it says it's the best in-class Shopify subscription app and takes the guesswork out of creating and scaling subscriptions for your Shopify store. Now, it has a 5-star rating in the Shopify App Store, which is of course great because not many have that, and it will help you launch and grow subscriptions for your Shopify store. Now, it's fully compatible with the Shopify ecosystem because not many are. That means it's great. It provides frictionless payments. It improves the customer experience with unified checkout, and it helps you sell custom product bundles. Okay. Now, it's very easy to integrate it, and as you can see, Recharge supports all the payment processors you could probably need to use. So Stripe, Authorize.net, Braintree by PayPal, Shopify Payments, etc. Okay, so it's great, and that probably won't be a problem. You can also connect Recharge with different technologies if you're using them, like Klaviyo, Georgia's, and Loyalty Lion. Okay, so that's of course amazing. Now, it will also empower your subscribers with the customer portal, okay? You can add one-time purchases to your recurring order, swap products, gift subscriptions to friends or family. You can edit the delivery frequency of their subscription products, or edit their address or payment information for recurring billing, and much, much more, okay? Now, as you can see, they've also got different tools like Recharge SMS that will let your customers manage their own orders themselves, creating a more seamless user experience, etc. You can also easily manage subscriptions with the merchant portal. As you can see over here, it looks something like this. You can create a subscription for a specific user on their behalf, which is great if you want to target individuals. You can manage subscriptions on your customer's behalf, create discounts for specific subscriptions, and pause or cancel a customer's subscription, which is always good to have. Now, you can very, very quickly launch it. You have to install Recharge from the Shopify App Store. As you can see over here, you can click Get Started, and it will take you to Recharge sign up, and you're set. And then you have to follow the instructions, so you'll be able to enable the widget on your store, and then you can begin processing your subscriptions. It's literally that easy, okay? So that's pretty much it. If you want to check it out, I would definitely recommend it. Just go to getrecharge.com and get started. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.